Welcome to the iCargo4U app. We have two primary services. First service is where customer can schedule a truck service for 24 hours or later, and express service where customer can request for a truck right now. In this video, we will show you how customer can request a scheduled truck service and how the entire process works. One major difference in express and scheduled services is that in express service, price is given by the driver, whereas in scheduled service, truck company provides the price quote to the customer. On the active booking screen, customer can open a collapsible menu and will select schedule for 24 hours or later service option. On the next screen, customer can fill in origin and destination addresses. Origin address will be auto-populated with the current location of the customer but can be changed. All the addresses have autocomplete address features. App has inbuilt mechanisms to hide the GST complexity from the customer. GST waived and GST eligible cargoes are appropriately categorized on the invoice to help customer avoid overpaying the GST during quarterly submissions. Customer can skip any screen that is not applicable to make the booking process shorter, smoother. Once customer place the booking, app will show booking status as well as various notifications related to the booking. Customer can also see the details of the booking anytime during the booking process and after it is completed. App deploys a number of reminders across the whole trip to provide status to various stakeholders. Additionally, app has integration with WhatsApp, email and SMS services to share trip updates frequently. Truck company has a fully functional dashboard and range of menu items for access to variety of information that are both current and historical in nature. There is also an electronic load matching feature to match with the customer's requests. This helps truck companies to post loads for their trucks which may be empty or partially loaded when returning from a trip. Through the dashboard, truck owners can also assign drivers, reload their cash wallets for express services, apply for preferred memberships and many other things. Once customer placed the booking, truck company will be notified through variety of channels such as WhatsApp, email and in-app notifications. Just like an express app, each truck company with matching trucks only has limited time to provide their quote. This deadline is shown at the top of the price quote screen. All the deadlines across the entire trip are computed using advanced mathematical optimization proprietary algorithms. App automatically deactivate fields for all the services that customer has not opted for, such as labor, packing, etc. App also calculates and automatically include any applicable toll charges. With every price quote, truck company also needs to select truck and driver for the trip. App will only show those drivers that are not already booked on other bookings and only those trucks that matches the cargo weight and size requirements. This makes the assignment process simple and easy for the truck company. App will also confirm whether insurance is current on the truck, any applicable permits and compliances. After checking all mandated compliance requirements, truck company can submit the quote. This quote will instantly be routed to the customer's mailbox. Just like this, other truck companies will also provide their price quotes, which will be routed to the customer. Customer can start reviewing all the quotes before the deadline of selecting the best quote. The deadline is shown at the top of the quote screen. Customer can also view details of any quote as he is waiting for the deadline to pass. Once the customer selects the best quote before the deadline, app will route it to the truck company whose quote has been selected by the customer. Other truck companies will be informed about their non-successful bids through various communication channels. The booking status will be changed to quote selected from booking raised. Truck company whose quote has been selected needs to confirm the booking by specific deadline. Once the confirmation is done, the information is routed to the customer for the payment. Customer needs to make 50% of the total payment based on general norms in India. This needs to be done before a specific deadline. If customer does not make payment by the deadline, then this trip will be cancelled and truck company will be notified. For convenience of the customers, large number of payment methods have been integrated into the app. Only electronic payments can be made for scheduled services, whereas both electronic and cash payments can be made for express services. Once customer makes the half payment before loading of goods, app will also ask truck company to post security deposit that could vary from booking to booking based on a number of factors. This will ensure compensation to the customer, in case truck company does not provide services to the customer. When truck company makes the payment, customer will see the status change to scheduled and will receive an OTP, which will be given to the driver when he arrives. Sometime before the scheduled time of the driver's arrival, an invoice for the trip will appear on truck company's active orders screen. Truck company can generate the invoice and send a copy to the driver. This invoice is saved and can be referenced back anytime to meet GST and other obligations. When booking is scheduled, app will inform the driver with relevant trip details that there is an upcoming trip. This will help driver make any preparations and get ready for the trip. Once the trip details have been finalized, app will inform driver that he should start the trip and enter an OTP after reaching the origin. This OTP will be relayed to the customer. Once the OTP is entered by the driver, trip will start and loading of the cargo can begun. Driver can end the loading by confirming to the app that loading is completed. App will let driver know that he should start driving towards the destination. Customer can provide feedback to the truck company anytime after the booking is scheduled. Additionally, customer can track the cargo and contact the driver throughout the trip. Similarly, truck company can provide feedback to the customer anytime after the booking is scheduled. Additionally, truck company can track the driver and truck and contact the driver throughout the trip. Once driver reaches the destination, driver can acknowledge once unloading is done. Driver will be shown a form to confirm if there had been any damage to the goods or theft during the transportation. Once driver responds to these, app will also get confirmation from the customer. This will make sure that both parties are in agreement and will help prevent any payment disputes. App will instruct the driver to not leave unless customer has made the payment. Customer can then make the remaining payment for the trip. Once the payment is made, app will notify the driver that he can leave for his next trip or return journey. Driver's screen will also get updated afterwards, in case no further trips are scheduled. This trip will then be completed and both customer and truck company can look at any details of the trip as well as download the invoice for any compliance purposes. This is one of the most advanced app in transportation and logistics that provides unique features to customers, truck companies and drivers. App has incorporated a number of functionalities such as geofencing, deadlines for all the participants for time management purposes using proprietary optimization algorithms, comprehensive dashboard for truck companies, market and auction-based pricing, electronic load matching, trip sharing and many more. Our iCargo4U and iCargo4U Driver Express apps are available for download on both Apple and Android Play stores. Additionally, we have plans underway to target huge cross-selling opportunities that this market offers. These opportunities aligned with our expertise in domains such as commercial and retail lending, data analytics, forecasting, algorithms development, vehicle tracking and generative AI. Thanks for watching this video. For any questions, please send us an email to info@indusinf.com. Thanks again.